Hi, I'm Mrs. Cochran. I hope you had a wonderful vacation and know that we missed you. Hope you had a little fun in there. I had some hiking and biking. Now let's get back to work. So today we're going to think about writing big words. And this is important for you to know because as you're writing stories, you're writing them with more detail and you're writing with more precise vocabulary. So in writing big words, it's really important that you are a word detective. You have to recognize the sounds or the parts of the words, sometimes call them the bigger chunks of the words that you know, because this helps you write efficiently. It also helps you to look at what are the prefixes, the little words you know, or vowel patterns, and syllables. So these are all tools that you have to be a word detective. So in our last session, we used the word snow and the O vowel pattern. And today we're going to expand on that. So you remember the word snow, sn-o, the O-W is the O pattern. So now I'm going to ask you to think about writing the word blowtorch. How do you even start to think about the word blowtorch? Think about it in chunks. So the first thing you do, how many syllables does it have? Blow torch. 2 syllables. It's actually a compound word. Blow and torch. So let's figure out the first part of it first. Blow. Blah, 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 ba, o, because we know that sound of blow. And then I'm just going to use this to represent it's now a compound word. So now we're approaching torch. Or, little word or, ch. What 2 letters make ch? C and H. We put that together, blow, torch. We used a lot of detective work there. We figured out there are 2 big parts of it. We took one part at a time. We looked at the beginning part of this, blah. We knew the O sound from snow. Then we came over to the second part of it, torch. First sound, little word, ch, is a digraph, and we know that from ch and chair. All right, let's try it again with another word, overthrow. Let's think about that, overthrow. How many bigger chunks? Overthrow, 2 syllables. Again, this is a compound word. You might know the word over. It's a snap word for you, but let's pretend you don't. Over. O. Ver. And I'm just going to tell you, most of the times an sound is an ER, but not always. You'll have to listen for those. Overthrow. So here's the second part. Again, this symbolizes to me that this is a compound word or the second syllable. Overthrow. We know that digraph, TH, O, and we know O from snow. Overthrow. We put the 2 chunks together, overthrow, but look at what we did. We had to figure out the first sound, O, and we almost had to do ver as another piece of that, over, almost like this, o, overthrow. See how you have to be a word detective? So in thinking about this, you have to think about how can I take a long or a big word and make it into chunks that are reasonable for you. Sometimes it's syllables. Sometimes you recognize it as a compound word. Sometimes you know the vowel patterns that are in there or the digraphs like th and ch. Those pieces become an efficient writer when you recognize those. Approach it as a word detective and you can figure out big words too. Have a good day.